going to start our panel.
Yeah.
We thought we started early, we did not. That's us. So welcome to the Heavenly Officials Beach Day panel. We'll see if anybody else shows up. Thank you for getting up this early to join us. Especially if you're in costume, we love you guys. Yeah, I am Feng Xin. This is Qing. This is our best friend in the world, Xie Lian. We are going to the beach today. So
we're at the beach.
If
you guys didn't know, this is the beach.
Look
I
at
don't know. Now you might be thinking, oh, I've been to the beach before. This is not the beach. You're wrong.
I don't know what
this
to say.
is the beach.
Yeah.
You are hallucinating that this is the beach.
You're hallucinating a conference room.
Yeah.
So, yeah. If you close your eyes, you can kind of hear the waves.
We're all astral
it's the
projecting
hum
from
of
the
the
beach
projector
right now.
It's kind of sound like the crash of waves against sand.
And Feng Xin will make whale noises later.
I know.
For your ambiance.
Oh wow.
It's
like I'm there.
Yeah.
Ain't this something?
Excellent. So yeah, we made it. I'm glad you left your behind.
You're behind.
No.
I think I brought that with me.
No, I mean like it's nice to like not have him here. So I'm glad we can just.
Oh, you're
This
talking
is an intervention.
My dear
A
son,
beach
my
intervention.
husband, who I love very much,
You're
and
stuck.
who you guys tolerate really well.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Anyways, it's good that it's been a while since we've been just the three of us, so it's good.
That's true. It's nice to
And I suppose
hang out with you guys like old times.
I tolerate this red one. Like, but I only have capacity to tolerate one red one at a time. So, like,
What do you have against the color red?
well, honestly, it actually just makes me rather angry.
That's what you You see red and you're just like, steam coming out of your nose.
Maybe. I mean, I'm just gonna have the gay part showing.
What do you mean by that?
It's the most important part. It's the most, like,
Pride's never over when you're with us.
Happy Pride Year.
Happy Pride Year. Happy 800 years of Pride, guys.
if God decreed it, then it must be a thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I did, so.
So, what are we doing here? Like,
We're
just gonna
supposed to be
sit-
like relaxing at the beach and just bonding.
Oh, I'm not good at that.
No, you're terrible at
That's
relaxing.
why you brought the sword.
We need to get you to like a masseuse or something. Like I think we should get him like a gift certificate because I've like just like felt your shoulders before and I feel like
In a very
Was I
friendly
asleep?
fashion.
Was I asleep?
no, I literally earlier
happened.
I reached over and I went like this. And yeah, no, we need to work on that too. But mostly I think you have a lot of tension.
Great
So I
stuff.
think
Hyperventilating.
a masseuse, probably also a chiropractor. We can do like mani-pedis.
What's that? Many.
Like you get your nails and your toenails done.
See, I'm up on this.
He gets it.
Yeah.
That's a mortal thing, isn't it?
It's a mortal
Alright,
Don't look at me like I'm the stranger one here.
You were always been the strange one.
What happened? What happened? I'm just like at the era of like swords and fighting and yeah, I don't know.
Do you
era
remember
of
that
swords
when you
and
duke it
fighting.
out with like the
Okay.
beach shovels?
Yeah.
Like,
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This is a
Okay.
beach activity I enjoy.
Play nice. I'm not responsible for either your health or safety, and
Why are you fighting me? Fight me.
Sorry, never mind.
we're gonna kick us out of the beach.
If you're gonna challenge me,
Out of every beach. We're never gonna be allowed
I'm
to
doing
go
my
there.
part to like promote peace and happiness and contentment at the beach and actually have like a relaxing time. And you're over here like, I'm gonna stab you with a
I'm
shovel.
gonna go stab the ocean with a shovel.
Stop the ocean. What did it do to you?
I
What
think
did
that's
it
some
do to
anger
you?
issues you might need to work out.
If this is about Hushwen, you need to take that up with him. You can talk to Sunlong about it.
Okay, fine. Yeah, besides, if I start to stab the ocean, I think Blackwater might get pissed off.
You know, I think
Or she would.
there was a Roman emperor who tried to do that and it didn't work out too well for him.
Okay. What's Rome?
What's Rome? Okay, function. What's Rome? What does that mean?
It's a kingdom on the other side of the world.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
You're very knowledgeable. I didn't know that about you.
He's knowledgeable
I know geography.
about things.
I'm so glad we have the god of geography here with us today to help us identify
The other parts of the world.
I'll just be the goddess stabbing the ocean. I think that's a
So,
that's not fulfilled.
Feng Xin.
Yes.
You brought us here today, and
Well, I thought that it'd be great for us to get together and spend some time
Yeah,
together
this
because
is
you're always
swell.
with your husband.
yes, my husband. I
Honestly,
am married.
you've been neglecting us, honestly.
Yeah.
What do you
Look
mean
how
neglected?
sad we look.
You guys are two
Look sad.
adult
Look
men.
sad. Look sad. Look sad. See, look how sad he is.
Oh yeah, he's real. Oh yeah.
Sad.
Okay.
How
But-
can like? Yeah. We just. And I'm sad too.
Okay, don't look at me
I
like
see
that.
your eyebrows
I
twitching,
will
but
kick
that's all I
butt.
can see behind those glasses.
You
so
guys
it's like,
listen. I have had stuff to take care of. You know, I have to keep stuff going, and now you know I have kind of this gig in like Go City, and I have to work on that. And you know, I do miss spending time with you guys, and it reminds me of you know when we were kids growing up. But we both have. We both. You two are one. You're a conglomerate. We both have lives.
Wait, but like,
I mean, you're not incorrect, but also
Yeah,
like.
well, because they keep so something that's always interested me
it's
is
like when
you two are known enemies, right? You do not like each other,
Yeah.
correct?
Supposedly.
Okay, so how come, pray tell, are you always together on every single mission of all time?
I don't think I ever said that I disliked you.
I feel like you did.
Maybe a long time ago.
Didn't you like?
Yeah.
Yeah. I feel like pretty recently. I feel like every time I walk in, every time I see you, you're like, I hate Qing. He's so annoying. He keeps following me around.
Okay, but like
you follow me around.
you follow me around.
No, I don't. You just show up everywhere I show up. I mean,
You follow me.
Met with Xie Lian, like everything we do, like everyone says this. That we always do things together. We never plan it that way. Like
Maybe it's fate. Maybe you are destined to be together. In a platonic sense, is what I am implying.
See, that's what I think it is. It's like you suddenly got a husband. There, I said.
No, what do you mean? I suddenly got a husband.
No, you suddenly got a husband, and
Can
suddenly
we do
you're
that
like.
again? The intonation there was really.
Husband. Yeah,
Why are you
it's
putting
like.
it in quotes? We're married, like legally.
I mean, I guess you are a god. If you're like we're married, then I guess you are married.
Yeah, when you are the law, I can marry anyone I want legally. I'm gonna marry you soon.
What?
We need to move to the other side.
Wait a
of the
minute.
table.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, get over there. Get over there and tell us why I have a bucket of balloons and Sharpies.
Okay, well, I brought the balloons and Sharpies because I knew that you would miss your husband.
Okay, I do miss him very much.
Yeah, and so I thought, just because none of the other martial gods could join us, I asked like Pinging and I asked Yijin if they would want to come, and they were all busy, just because I thought, you know, we'd all want to hang out, and so I had this great idea where I thought we could make the balloons into the other heavenly officials, so you wouldn't feel so lonely.
I feel like that might be a little sacrilegious. But
We're making false idols. Yes.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Well, no, because okay.
I will respect the
To be
painting
fair,
balloons more than I respect
the
painting
statue
balloons.
of you in that
Which
one
one?
shrine on Wuxi Mountain, I think. Do you remember when we fought those brides?
Yeah.
Yeah, you remember when we stopped by your shrine because they were like, oh, there's no big long shrine
I
here.
think
And
that
then
one
there
was like a decent proportion wise.
it gave you a mustache.
It did.
Except for that.
Oh, can I give you a mustache? Where's the marker?
No, not with that Sharpie. Hold on. No.
I have a shovel,
Oh.
and I'm
Oh, watch out.
not afraid. I have an umbrella over here too.
Maybe I should just like confiscate those. Maybe I should just put this under the table. I don't think y'all.
Just like
I don't think I trust y'all with that.
Why
I mean, I don't trust me with it either, but like,
Why didn't you bring your sword to the beach? Obviously you need a sword at the beach.
put it there. Maybe we should.
Okay, so we're gonna make all the other. I'm gonna make a mustache fencing too.
we even have red ones. We should start with blue.
Oh well, can I do Ho-Chang?
Fine.
We should all make one.
Oh, I'm scared to blow this balloon up next to that. If anyone has a fear of balloons popping, I'm sorry.
Well, don't pop it. You pop it.
Well, no, but
you. You pop
That's what happens when you blow into the sun.
Yeah.
Sorry.
you would know function.
Yeah.
Not from experience.
Yes.
No.
Yeah. You have a canonical child. Like.
With a, never mind.
Yeah.
I don't know how big are these supposed to get.
I have no idea. You're asking me.
I don't know. You bought them.
I don't know.
What's the inch size on there?
25. Wait, that's not right. 9 inch. 9 inch.
Oh, okay. So then they're not.
Or 22.8 centimeters.
Oh my god, these are actually very hard to
Okay,
pull.
so then they're not gonna get as big as a full size balloon because those are 12 inches.
My lung capacity is.
Which you're literally like, you fight things, don't you?
I'm
I'm
gonna
so
try again.
scared that when I touch the marker to the balloon, it's gonna pop. I'm like actually nervous. I'm not scared of popping balloons, but I'm next to a microphone and I feel like that's not
Just like do it
gentle.
over here.
Okay.
Yeah, I did it. Oh, these are like, you try it. You do
I
it.
don't want to put this in my mouth and take it off.
Oh god, yeah, I might actually. This feels
Blood
blood
fear. Okay.
This is very difficult.
Alright.
We got bad balloons.
And now theoretically, I've done this before, so it should be fine because I did dress with Bruno balloon once. Want to try my husband? My husband's on.
Yes, we're all gonna draw your husband. And then you get to choose which one is the best.
What? When I choose my own, I feel like.
Okay, then Mooching gets to choose the best version of them.
Can I choose none of them?
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Can I just
So you
like.
guys like to choose?
Yeah, you guys can vote. There's an even number of audience members here, but it's okay. We'll have a deciding vote. Okay. I think.
Oh, am I just keeping this balloon? Oh, okay. Alright.
I remember what he looks like because I see him every day.
Do you though? I don't.
Yeah, I remember.
Okay.
I remember.
Which
I
side
like
does the
blue.
eye patch go on? Which side does the eye patch? This one. This one. Wait. This. This one? Okay, I'm gonna trust you guys that it's on this side.
I don't even know.
Wait. Yeah.
What does
Wait.
an eye patch look like?
You've literally seen him.
I've literally not been observing him. Like, I'm too busy looking at Wuching's face.
What?
Yeah, you have a funny face.
You have a funny everything. What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me?
Wait. What?
It is the right side. I was right.
Did we just Google it?
It's right side. I was
Okay.
right. I didn't mess up anything. I'm bad at knowing my lefts from rights. I'm also.
I just put it on the side. I don't pay attention to that.
If you just put eyes on either side, it'll balance it out.
Like one on either side of the balloon, and then you can just rotate.
Yeah. Oh no, he looks. He looks just like.
Is that actually how your hubby looks?
So you admit he's my husband?
No, I said
Well-
nothing.
Okay, I'm done.
Wow, just like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why are you messing?
How do you draw lips?
What?
You draw a line.
Just a line. That's it. Are you gonna draw him? Are you trying to do like a photorealistic on a balloon?
Maybe.
What the heck? That's gonna be creepier than anything.
That's like old lady. I mean, it could be better.
I'm just gonna blow up a second balloon for my next one because it's Actually, no. I'm gonna draw the mustache on fencing.
You're gonna draw a mustache?
Yeah, you can let me draw it on
You gotta
you,
wait
so-
for me. You gotta wait for all of us.
Head of the game. Can't even blow up the balloon though. Just saying.
I'm trying my lung capacity. You didn't blow up your balloon either.
Okay, fine. But like,
What do you mean you didn't blow your balloon either? I only blew one. Who did it?
I blew up both of these.
Eyebrows. Why do faces have eyebrows?
Okay.
It's a beach party with balloons.
This is,
so
I
this
don't
is
know
what
what I
happens at the
did.
beach.
Yeah, this
This
is
is
the
what
thing
beach.
that
You know when you go to the
This,
beach.
yeah, you know when you go to the beach
Are
and
you just
blow up
gonna like
balloons?
preemptively blow up all the balloons for us?
Maybe.
Wow, you're so talented. Thank you.
I can blow. If anything, I can definitely blow.
Whiching.
What?
Nothing.
You know, it's like,
Okay, I'm done.
are you
I
done?
did it on the wrong side. I did it on the wrong side because I'm bad.
Why do you not look at your husband's face or does he just do that mystical thing where he makes us two
No,
eyes?
because he's in his son mom like form all the time, so he has two eyes.
And a lopsided
All right, are we ready to reveal it?
It's a nice ponytail. I was going to put it in.
Okay, come on. It's wonderful.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, Xie Lian.
Go, Xie Lian.
He's very much.
Wow.
I remember him looking just like this.
That's actually really kind of adorable. I'm very wrong.
He looks way cuter in that balloon. You should marry that balloon.
Sorry, no, I made it
It's just like this. I don't understand what you mean.
He's much more handsome in the balloon form. So you will be too.
Alright, y'all. I see how it is. I mean, I've always seen how it is, but now I know.
Okay, sorry. I'm grumpy.
And that's your personality.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At this point, you can't just be like, I'm grumpy.
I haven't had my
It's your
coffee.
personality.
Why not? That's my personality. What's your balloon look like? Oh, amazing. He also has cute
You want to
eyes.
kiss it?
Why did you give me the beard?
I don't know, I felt like it. I just,
He doesn't usually have one of those.
he could.
I mean,
I'm just giving you ideas for like,
yeah, that's a really good.
I think he's also cuter in this balloon. Eyes are
I don't know if that's true.
He's cutest in your balloon first.
He's
But-
cutest in real life.
And then I got balloon wins. Alright, well, here's mine.
I appreciate that.
have touched you wrong.
No, that's just
There you go.
That's my cousin's great.
No, it has the untouched. That's him.
Guys, if he
I also
comes
drew
after
the
you, I might not stop him. Whoa, where are we going with that?
You're gonna hold our balloon.
Here, I'm gonna label it. I'm gonna label
You're
it.
gonna put Gucci on it. You're gonna sign it. Oh, you're gonna label it.
I said label it.
I thought you were gonna sign it.
This is. Yes. Here, you can have the punishment hat.
Is that gonna work?
Okay, I signed it. Okay, go ahead.
Sign it, so I've got to sign mine too.
I'm scared. What are you gonna write?
Whatever, like
It
those.
needs to be something we can show the audience. Okay.
Here you go.
Right. Yeah! Oh, I love that.
Oh god, the hat's not gonna stay. Bye. Oh.
What? Wait, what is this word say?
It's butterfly ghost.
Oh.
But-
Oh, I was trying to read reply and but is two separate words.
It's butterfly.
Because I thought you were writing something about his butt, which like,
Why would you? No.
No,
where am I supposed to go with this? Okay, he gets to sit here. Wow. It's like he's really here with us
I
right
know,
now.
isn't it great?
No, it's really wonderful. I'm so glad. So who are we doing next?
Pink for painting?
Pink for painting. That's appropriate.
Try it.
Do we draw the faces on the balloon before we blow them up at some point?
Yeah.
That might be. Okay.
Actually, let's do that for painting.
Oh, you're gonna.
What does painting look like?
He also does not have a beard.
Douche. No.
No. Okay, I remember.
You gotta get the cocky eyebrows in there. That's like the
He
main.
has a tattoo.
Oh, I just remembered what he looks like. I'm so proud of myself, you guys. I have the memory of a god.
Good job.
Yeah, he has the tattoos.
Skeptical.
Now we play the laugh track because I said did you like my joke? Okay, thanks. I need like an actual soundboard that I can bring. And so when I say stuff at panels, I can be like, yeah, and then it'll play a laugh track because like that.
I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I really don't know how this
What
is
did
gonna
you
turn
draw?
out. He's giving us smarmy. He has cocky eyebrows, and he's giving a like a smirky smile, like a smarmy. I don't know how to describe this look. I don't pay attention to most of the like heavenly officials.
Yeah, it's not gonna work in my favor. Okay. He's got eyebrows. That's for sure.
Oh my god, it's so faint. It's so faint. I can't actually redraw this, but I will redraw it. Like that's
Just trace it.
Because it's on there. You just can't see it.
Okay. He's got eyes. That's really cool of him.
Okay, so it doesn't work to draw them first.
Okay, noted.
That's actually. I'm gonna try to do it exactly how I drew it though. Just like lines and everything.
He's got like a tattoo, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, that's kind of what that is. Oh, he's got hair. Very nice.
Oh, eyebrows. Eyebrows are great.
This is this is stellar.
This is wow.
You know-
blow this up for me.
You know, do you guys know who would be great at this? Sun Long.
What? I'm sure he's great at self-portraits.
No, have you seen the portrait he made of me that hangs in the Pucci shrine?
Which one?
The one that's like the one that people worship?
Yes.
Yeah, that one's really nice. And he did that in like a night and then
I say he cheated.
He cheated? You can't cheat art.
He found some kind of like print of you and just hung it up.
Yeah, he found a print.
Luncheon was like,
He found a convention that
yeah.
I just got the print of you.
Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Yeah, he looks like this. I kind of like it how it looks without the with the faint Sharpie lines because it's like I don't know. There's something artistic about it.
I didn't.
Unique style.
Yeah. Wait, no, he looks really good. This is better than I think I drew Sunlong, which is saying a lot because that was like a masterpiece. But I mean, with Sunlong, it's not hard.
Your talent is absolutely growing.
There.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Basically what the
We
fake
have
lines look
wings.
like. Oh, okay, well. I've already revealed paving to the world.
I didn't get to see.
I just traced my Sharpie lines. That's amazing. Yeah, well, it's part eyebrow, part tattoo. We don't have any other different colors, so I couldn't differentiate.
It's part eyebrow, part tattoo.
Here, I'm gonna give him a
That's how
speech-
things are.
I'm gonna give him a speech bubble that says
Ho ho.
ho ho.
Oh yeah, he does. He is Santa. I mean, what's Santa? What is Christmas?
He does like people sitting on his lap. Ho ho, women.
I knew that's what you were gonna say.
Ho ho.
Guys, it's ho-ho spelled H-O-H-O. Don't get any
Oh,
ideas.
wait. Oh, no. Okay, I can't do that. It's a PG. Down.
What did you just say?
Nothing.
No. I feel
I
like
can't spell the other way. I can't spell the other way.
Why
Yeah.
doesn't he have why does he have little ghost eyes?
I haven't given him pupils yet. Will you give me a minute?
Okay.
Oh, where's your masterpiece? Wow. Oh my God, that's actually not. What is his mustache?
I don't know, I gave you a mustache.
You gave him a mustache? That's an improvement. You know, I keep meaning to draw.
That's what they did to Junwoo in Eternal
Yeah,
Fate.
in Eternal Fate,
They gave him
right?
a stash.
So he looks more dignified.
He looks. I can't. Don't know. Hold on. Hair doesn't do this.
Who are you drawing?
You with a mustache.
Me with a mustache.
Yes, you also have a mustache.
Okay. He's done. He's really honestly, I think he looks really good. I don't know. How are we feeling?
I would run if I saw that in a dark alley.
But you're saying you wouldn't run if you actually saw paving.
Oh, I would run if I saw that in a dark alley. No, paving.
And paving, yeah.
No, paving. Paving's okay.
You would
Alright.
get paving.
Do you think he looks good with a mustache?
Oh no.
Is that, wait,
Whoa.
what? Well, first of all, why do they have that kind of a mustache?
What do you think? Between the two.
Oh, I thought that was his mouth. I thought he was like an overbite, and I also for a second thought that was Wolverine from
I think it's an improvement.
Why would I have that kind of a mustache?
Wait, you're drawing Feng Xin?
Yeah.
I thought this was painting. Oh no, that looks just like him. I don't know.
Yeah. It looks just like him with a mustache, right? Beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a mustache on you.
No. Okay. We ran out of buckets to put payment in.
No, I just replaced the.
I'm not moving my husband. I like him too much. Sorry, payment. You can go in the
You can
shuffle.
go in this jumble.
I didn't think that would actually work, but lo and behold. Okay. All right. Cool. So, are we doing you next? Is that how this is going?
Oh, yes.
You're like 3 steps ahead. You need to
Sorry.
like.
I need to chill.
Yeah, it's chill.
Alright, fine.
You're too artistically inclined.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah, that's what it is.
I just wanted to have him. I just wanted to see what he looked like with a mustache.
Thanks.
Yeah, right. I think it's an improvement.
Something I want to say, but I don't think I can.
I know it's no.
I'm gonna put it in the communication array.
There you go.
Thanks. I breathe.
No.
You know,
We're on you. We're on Feng Xin.
Yeah, we're drawing you. So it's
It's
self-portrait.
a self-portrait.
Self-portrait at the
Oh,
beach
okay.
that we're at.
Like beach version me, okay.
I don't know why we're drawing.
Why does
He's
balloons
here.
at the beach?
He's here though. Well, yeah, we're drawing balloons at the beach, but also it's like this is supposed to be drawing like the heavenly wishes who are not here to kind of like. I don't know.
You started it, man.
Well, you said you had a mustache. I thought that might look good on you.
We love the sound of balloons on markers.
So what does that have? Like, what size is my hair part? Okay.
Wouldn't you know?
Shush! I'm not used to
Why
this
don't
color.
you draw the mustache that you want to have? And I drew an inappropriate mustache. That's not the right word.
No, that's. I mean.
Going back to what you're gonna put in the picture. But like, if I drew the
No, that's
wrong.
not what I was gonna say.
Oh, okay. But yeah, if I drew the wrong mustache, please draw me the correct mustache that goes
I'm not
on.
putting a mustache on my face.
I'm gonna sit over here so you can't see.
Great. Just what I wanted.
Excellent.
I get like the artistic perspective.
The profile.
Oh my god, profile shot on the balloon. That'd actually be pretty impressive, I think.
Oh yeah, like just kind of draw the entire balloon as the base. That'd be good.
That's kind of good. Oh, why is this kind of good though?
Are we gonna pop the balloons with a sword after this?
I don't think they want us popping balloons in this workout.
Uh-huh.
We can do it outside.
Yes.
This is the worst self-portrait ever.
I can't, it's not, there's no way it's that bad. You have talent, you have talent.
Let me see.
Wow, that was like
just-
if she was going to a rave.
I drew you better with a mustache. I don't even know where it
my
went.
party glasses lie.
What is going on? No, that's terrifying. That's absolutely terrifying. No, please, what? This is a. This is a terrifying activity. Let's never do this again.
I may regret my life choices.
Oh, look. Gianna, you leave.
Okay, I'm starting to know it's first.
Okay.
Here he is. Wait.
Oh,
There you are.
Oh,
wow.
wow. That's okay. Yeah, I'll take it. It's better than what I drew.
Yeah.
Yours is like kind of scary. And I'm not gonna lie, like I think it's wonderful. Like I really hope you continue to pursue your artistic passions. But my comment about ET was not wrong.
No, it wasn't. I think actual fencing is cuter than that balloon though. Like the pop-up balloon is cuter than pop-up, but I think
You think I'm cute?
no.
Do you just
So
think
we have
that
to-
are you saying that this is ugly?
Yes.
Oh,
compared to that. Like,
So you're
but
saying I'm
you're
cute.
cuter than a balloon. That's not a high bar. Wait a minute. Okay. Fine. You're cute. Fine.
I can't stab you, but I can tickle you.
Ah, wait. You wonder why I'm tense? I can stab you.
you look so lovely. Oh, hello. Okay. I'm having a wonderful time drawing of my friends and my husband, who is also my friend. Okay, who's next? Who's next, y'all? Oh, we did blue. We could do Ling Wen.
Big one.
Or like Shibudu. But we
have to do
we all know what Shibudu looks like.
We totally know what
He
Shibudu looks
definitely looks like something.
Okay.
like. Stretch it out for you.
Thanks.
Oh my gosh, this is my opportunity to show off the one skill. Hold on.
You have one skill.
I have one skill.
Can you tap this together?
No, it's
Wow, you can hold all your friends with you.
yeah.
That's actually kind of adorable. You're really tense about this. You're just like,
If you give me full-size balloons, I can hold 8 in one hand.
Wow. So we're drawing Ling Wen.
Yeah. Sorry, I picked them all up and put them back, including this one. I didn't see the ponytail. Oh, I hit that here. You can chill in the box. Not gonna lie. Sorry. I don't want him scaring our audience members. We only have 4. They can't leave.
Yeah, it's fair.
We can't lose more.
I gotta do the fancy like. I didn't know how to draw.
Oh my gosh, my marker.
There's more markers.
I might actually. I think the latex is freaking out them.
You gotta get the dead stare right.
She's very tired from taxes.
Just lay off.
right, and then nothing would ever get done.
I don't know what her hair looks like, so I'm just gonna give her like net hair.
I am not an artist. Let's go with that. You were really clicky face. What's your favorite story about Ling Wen?
You mean besides all the traumatizing times he's hunted me down for taxes?
Yeah.
I don't tax evade. I just
You
don't.
just evade your taxes.
I'm just like not like we're all like 16, all right? God, like give me a break. All I had to do was fight things good before, and now I have like taxes. I don't know. It's weird.
All you have to do is sweep the floor before.
Oh my gosh.
I
Do
was
not bring that
doing
up
other
in function.
Yeah.
I know that's like trauma.
I thought he got over it.
No, yeah.
You really think he got over it?
You think I get over anything?
No, that's why you're so tense all the time. Here's mine. I think she looks pretty good.
Oh, yeah.
This isn't done.
You're
That's
just like
accurate.
seen a lot of things.
Ling Wen has seen a lot. I mean, that's true. She really has.
This is done.
There's mine.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
At least you wanted to hide this one in the corner.
Why are her
Mine
lips
is
so
not out of here.
tiny? Why are her lips so tiny?
You. Oh, I thought you were asking about yours, and I was like, you drew them. I don't know what you're talking
No,
about.
I mean, like, why does she just have the lips, like, minuscule?
Wait, I have an idea. I have a concept.
Ah! I don't want to kiss her. Go away. Like, women,
You
no.
can just like, you have to
Women, no.
like,
Do you want to kiss
just
Ping
like,
Ping?
they can watch.
Like, oh, we have more audience members.
Oh, there we go. This is
Yeah, no,
perfect.
this is really good.
Here.
This is a great idea.
If they fall back, then Jen
I'm giving, the donut.
Sorry, Jen. Oh no. breathing heads watching us do this.
I'm the one on the end I think is dying.
That doesn't. It's okay. It's okay. Ow. Okay.
I ended up painting in the middle, and he's just like, "Hey, you might be on something."
As painting typically
Yeah,
is.
sure,
Yes.
it's okay.
I love it. That's so good. All right, maybe one or two more.
Yeah.
Okay.
Orange. Who's orange?
No one.
Yeah.
But like, what does I know what people look like? I've seen human beings.
Let's just
Doesn't he spend
someone.
like the night in your shrine fairly often?
Oh yeah, that's true. Because he keeps trying to like give me money, but I kind of like I don't need any like.
He thinks you're a really cool
Someone is
grandpa.
like pretty like.
Just so you know,
He thinks I'm a what?
a really cool grandpa.
Oh.
He told me that.
I will take that as a compliment.
Okay, so we're Ethan or
And he likes
we could just pick someone.
but he likes that you cook.
Who is your
I like
least?
that I cooked you. You know who else likes my cooking?
Someone.
You guys like my cooking too, right? You like my
Gucci
chocolate meatballs?
I know. Yeah.
Oh, you do? Oh, that would be so much for me.
Oh.
Okay, I'll invite you guys over. We
We'll
can't
be
do
there.
tonight because I know Sun Long is gonna be home and he's doing like the heavily official work. Not heavily official, the opposite of that.
Anti-heavenly
The
official
ghost
word.
work. And so he's gonna come home and he's probably gonna be like, but you know.
No, explain to my.
I mean, you know, he has to deal with like
Heavenly officials.
and heavenly officials, and then he's gonna be like, "Oh, were you with Feng Xin and Wu Qing? Because
So we're drawing
I
Ethan on
might
this one?
come in,
Okay.
go get them." So if you really get knocked at your door not answered, and I, you know,
Just don't show him the balloons, and we're okay.
yeah.
No, show him my balloon.
Well, I want to
want
take
him
mine.
to
I think
see.
he'll like mine a lot. He'll be like, "Oh, God, it's so cute. It looks just like you." Who are we drawing? Oh,
Ethan.
I think I was the one who said that, and I think I regret it.
You should know him.
I know him, but in terms of artistic interpretation,
He's just a puppy. All you have to draw is a puppy.
oh, I drew that backwards.
So all we have established in this panel is that none of us can draw.
Another balloon.
See, if we draw it Sunlong, I think.
And then he has like the wildest, like scraggly hair. Like, I don't know. He's just a disaster. And this is coming from me.
Yeah, you were also a disaster.
To have the hair, you know, like it's all over the place.
Yeah, that's
Tell us how you really feel.
Puppy's fine. Like I don't mind it. Like I can stand it for like 10 minutes.
Close to 10 minutes.
Which is markedly longer than most people.
Yeah. There you go. It's a puppy.
What?
It's a puppy.
Oh. I mean, I didn't think you were gonna take that so literally in quite the terrifying sense.
I think it looks great. Let's see yours.
Right? Here he is.
Wow.
I think he looks
I
You
like
made
his
him
little
a
cheeks.
sad puppy.
He is, you know, no, like, because when I first saw him again after I came back and he was like putting gold in my nail box and I was like, hey now, I don't need it, and then no, but then he kept, you know, getting really upset about it, and so this is why I remember he looks like.
Awesome. Wow. Yeah. He does cry a lot. I could have also made a sad
I
puppy.
think he misses you and you a lot.
Wow. What is wrong with him?
He looks like he saw your other balloon.
Accurate.
Look at the other balloon. I'll just put them side by side.
Yeah, no, put him in the box with the other balloon.
Where did I? Oh, it was this one.
He's yelling for you.
Oh yeah,
That's what.
I look like that. That was my reaction. I don't know.
He looks like you saw your other balloon. I mean, I've done some terrifying things, but it's alright.
to you.
I love that we have very different interpretations.
And you know what? All of them are correct.
This feels like this. Well, that's not very nice. This feels like what a person does when they're really lonely. I don't speak from experience ever. Yeah. Sorry, you have to sit next to Piggy. That's my bad for real.
He's only mildly terrifying.
There's a bag
Like a
between
pirate.
I don't know.
Like,
He's a pirate from every angle. What do you mean? We're at the beach. He's a pirate.
oh, he's a pirate. Okay.
green.
Wait, were you saying something other than pirate?
No.
Oh, I heard it. Okay.
Shall we draw Chiro?
I feel like that's appropriate for our style.
She's probably right. This is the only one where it's not like the last one. Just he kind of sucks. Love my cousin, but like no one knows.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
I mean, I feel really bad for his child that he was gonna eat, but then he didn't.
Who's amazing?
Oh no, he's great.
Oh, you know,
Lovely.
we could've
He
done-
loves running around at the shrine, and
We could have gone to Mountain Shoe with the orange one.
you know, I love having him over, especially with like long, because then it's like we have like a kid, and it's so nice. And then I'm like, man, maybe we should have a kid so long.
What?
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 You don't want like a nephew or a niece?
Why'd you have to say that? Because now I do.
No, wait. So wait, you guys are gonna stay married?
As opposed to?
Wait, no. I still have objections and thoughts on this. Like, he's just not worthy. Yeah. I'm just... Wow. I need more. I need the lies.
Yeah, he was blue.
And his ball was pose. You. But worse.
Man standing emoji. No, definitely weird. We do look similar, and I've been told that before, which doesn't always make me feel the best, but I do understand he went through some, things between now and when we were younger, so.
Wow.
Thanks.
That's.
No, it's really good, right?
I would put that in an anime.
How's the anime function?
Also from a different
Is
country.
it also from Rome?
Yes! No.
Animes?
No. It's from Japan.
I've never heard of that.
Okay, well, it's a much closer country.
Oh, okay.
He
Well,
decided
it's okay.
to-
It just says Florida now. That's.
He wanted to escape into the swamp.
Yeah.
That's all.
I think you
Oh,
should
no, I
tell
spelled this
me
wrong.
your favorite memory about Qing.
Yeah. Let's hear it.
Isn't like the worst one you remember.
The worst one or my actual favorite?
Do you have a favorite memory?
Such a good punching bag.
I do. I remember when we were younger and we would play together, and sometimes he would get jealous of me, and then he'd go run and yell at like my parents. But you know what? We were still having fun, and we were kids, so it doesn't really matter. And I do appreciate, because he done a lot of bad things and mostly bad things. But I feel like, especially to my lovely husband, but
This is hard.
there are times where I am glad that he's still around, kind of.
Oh, they're beauty. Punching the cheer off with it.
This is not me.
I could hit you with the cheer off. I wouldn't do. It's fine. I'm trying. I'm not going to be as antagonistic, okay?
No. Look at Qing turning over a new leaf.
Here he is.
I'm just going to beat up the cheer off. Whoa.
As you can see, it's cannibalism.
Oh, amazing.
Well, is it really cannibalism if he's like, it doesn't matter, he shouldn't be eating people alive by trying to think about that.
Don't yet.
Here's mine.
Wait, that's actually really accurate.
Yeah, big cheesy smile is wonderful. And then the pointed nose, like weird like hair movie things that are like yours but not yours.
Here's mine.
Why not his tongue out like that? He looks like a Asian dog.
Well, before I put hair on him, he kind of just like boop.
Oh,
He's like that
Mario
anyways.
Kart.
Oh. That's like being amazing for Mario Kart.
I know, and I was like, he needs hair now.
amazing.
I think it's great. This might be one that I put up. Not right now, I promise. But
Yeah, I think
in the future.
it's really therapeutic to be at the Qing though. So.
From one Qing to another.
Oh, we went too far.
Yeah, we don't want him in the audience. I don't think they
No, I
want
don't think they
you.
want.
I'm scared of these ones.
It's just like your reaction to the real tear.
I was so thinking about the cannibalism thing.
And then tear on the side of the
Yeah. Scary.
Excellent. Wow.
You can go there, I guess. Oh, I guess I was sitting there. Maybe that's okay.
Okay.
You can run the show.
Who is the heavenly official that you like the least?
John Woo?
Jen Wu?
Yeah.
Are we all agreed it's Jen Wu?
I suppose.
Okay, well we have assorted colors now, so let's see. You can have a blue Jen Wu.
Blue Jun Woo. It rhymes. How do you know it's good?
Have a pink Jen Wu, and then I'll do a yellow Jen Wu. Because he's just as awful in any form.
Okay, I thought you were gonna go a different direction.
Yeah,
I'd be
me
like,
too.
he's just as awful as fencing, and I'll be like, what have I ever done that's not
I'm trying to turn over a new leaf. But
And can I hug you?
okay.
Look.
Oh my gosh! How lovely. I'm so proud of how far you guys have come.
I'm stuck in your hair now.
Dang, that sucks.
No, what happens? No, what happens?
Like your throat got stuck in your hair.
Take your Jen Wu and go home.
Just your gentleman go home.
I'm good at breathing.
Good for you. It's difficult.
Why are you drawing on my balloon?
Help you out.
Thank you for my weird hashtag marks that it's just going to be a Jen Wu.
Hashtag.
There-
I can't think of anything to say that's not extreme spoiler.
He's really squinty-eyed.
He's a squinty-eyed.
He's a squinty-eyed serpent. But then he has this like arrogant like eyebrow.
Guys, I don't know what Virginia looks like.
Yeah.
I don't,
Oh,
which is bad because
he's like your boss. Well, I'm your boss, but he's my boss.
He has this disapproving face, like he doesn't hate your work.
This is a Roblox face.
Isn't that everyone that you've drawn from Qing?
Well, people look at me like that. I don't know what's wrong with them. He has this face that's just like, oh God, you're gross. Go away from me.
You know, I feel like we probably shouldn't be slandering the Heavenly Emperor. So,
Probably not.
Come down and smite me, oh heavenly emperor. See?
Oh, he's in the communication rate. He's in the communication
No,
rate.
no,
He's
I
gonna
turned
come
mine
and
off.
he's gonna come and kick your butt.
I'll fight him.
With what?
I have a sword. I brought a sword to the beach
He
for
kinda looks
fighting.
like
Yeah,
that guy.
it's time to challenge John Woo to a fight with beach shovels.
I think that's what time it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, he just looks like a guy. I feel like this is maybe I remember what he looks like, but like at the same time not. And I
Looks like Phoenix Wright.
it does look like Phoenix. Okay, well, you know what?
Well,
It is blue. This is Phoenix right now, I guess. It's okay. He can look like this.
like him.
Yeah. Yeah, this is we're labeling it.
Why? I think I think I just drew Junk Town. Because he just looks really disappointed.
Wait, let's compare.
He looks really disappointed.
I think
in
you did draw. You just, yeah. Congratulations to the Heavenly Emperor now, I guess.
Yeah, I think that would be an improvement.
None of us actually are drawing Junwoo. We're all like, I mean, at least you were staying relatively on brand.
It's the same character.
Actually, okay, I can argue with that. Is Phoenix right called the W, right?
Yeah.
Wow, oh God, why is it true?
The dad from Chicken Little.
Why? No, why do you draw the most cursed things?
I can't draw!
This was your idea!
I was just trying
Okay, now he's labeled as Phoenix. This is not Junwoo.
I don't even know what this is.
Alright, you can be here.
Now we can have one Jung-Chun facing another. It's self-reflection time. Are you excited?
Look in the mirror and see what you are.
That feels like that. No, that's Wei Wuxian would do that to Jung-Chun though. Like he'd just have it like set up somewhere. Be like, you need to confront your inner problems.
Well, meanwhile ignoring all of his. Yes.
It's pretty
I think it works.
I don't think you just your fingers right.
I was okay. No, there's a specific Junwoo image that I'm trying to channel, but I don't remember what it looks like. But I do, and I know exactly where it is because I have a folder.
You have a folder of Junwoo.
Get Kieran out of here.
I think I do actually. Wait,
What?
do I actually have that, or is it no?
You might have to explain that to your husband.
No,
Yeah.
I don't, guys. I lied. I
Okay.
just have a folder for all of them.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Where is he? Oh my gosh, that picture of Ling one is really good.
Actually, what is
I was thinking about
your phone?
This
Oh,
one.
That one, I do enjoy that one. That was
I think
nothing
this
like
one.
that.
I
It's
tried
stuffed
to
in
see.
Phoenix
That
Wright.
looks nothing like your balloon.
Yeah, you know, you know what? You know what? Maybe you're right. Maybe you're right. Oh.
Alright.
No function.
You don't like my...
Phoenix Wright, if you do anything, he's objecting. This is you at my marriage.
Yeah.
This is you at my marriage.
And it didn't do anything. And I guess if you're getting a kid now, it's not good.
I didn't say we were getting a kid.
It's not good.
I mean, we already have like a couple of like.
Well, if you get a kid, then I guess I have to accept it.
You better.
That's the
But
qualification.
until a kid is there, we should talk.
I'm not divorcing my husband. I love him very much. I love Sunlam.
Would you... We need to talk about your hang-ups.
I'm fine. I'm normal. This is happening.
How do you feel about my kid?
I forget.
Lovely.
Yeah.
That's how I feel.
It's your child.
I mean,
I love
my
unconditional love.
child.
Only a face a father could love.
Yeah.
Okay, don't give me with that
Mother
face.
kebab.
Your
X.
ex.
Is an X.
Yeah, and I met her.
Yeah.
Who's the next one we should draw?
Do we have enough time? Sorry, my phone.
I think
No, we don't. It's 7:54.
Like 5 minutes left.
5
so-
minutes? Okay, fine.
Yeah,
I think we need
Phoenix. That's my favorite one.
My favorite one. I don't know.
Yeah,
I
What do you
mean,
think your
favorite
favorite
one?
one? Yeah.
my husband. I'm sorry, you don't look like this. I promise. I'm surprised he's been here the
What's
whole
your
time.
favorite one?
It's a tie between Lingwen and John.
We should have just started going,
Also
alright, who wants to draw Lamoji? Oh, you know what, we're gonna move over Big Huh, let's go.
Yeah.
Just any.
We could do an MXTX drawing panel that's only like just balloons.
Eyes closed.
Only,
Eyes closed.
Oh, that's
balloons.
fun. Only balloons.
Yes.
Alright, well, we have 5 minutes left. do have 5 minutes left. So thank you guys for coming to our panel. We hope you have enjoyed our horrible balloon art for the last.
Yes, thank you all
It's
time.
been a very
Yes.
interesting beach activity.
Well, you know, there's only so many beach activities. You can do at a lovely beach like this. So,
I don't think you guys want to carry a balloon around for the rest of the con, but if you do want one, I'm free to.
We're going to destroy all of them.
I love it. It was so good on you. Well, I'm Chaotic Neutral Cosplay. I've been your Feng Xin for this panel.
Oh, I'm cloudpop.cos over here, Xie Lian.
I'm Perfection. I'm not really this grumpy usually. I try to channel, but it's okay.
The spirit.
It
of
helps not
Qing.
having coffee this morning.
Oh yeah, well, I haven't, but yes. Anyways, hi.
Thank you for coming. We will. We have one more panel this evening. The Trigon, the 18+ panel. Some of us will be in it, and we hope you guys have a lovely day. So thank you for coming.
Thanks for coming.